Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at segment addition slash subtraction with algebra. Okay, so we talked about a previous adding and finding missing segment lengths, but here we're going to do it algebraically. So let's zoom in on number one and begin. Alright, so I have point S on line segment RT, given ST is equal to 2x, RT is equal to 4x, RS is equal to 4x minus 4. Determine the numerical length of RS. So remember, we're looking for RS is what we're looking for, okay? Alright, so first, just to keep it straight, and you may not do this every time, but once you figure it out, you might just skip this little step. But I just want to make sure it's clear what we're doing. We're looking at this line segment, right? Not the straightest line, but I got R, and I got T, and I got S is a point in the middle. So I know that R to S plus S to T will equal the whole line, RT. So I'm going to start with RT on the right here and set it equal to RS plus ST. Okay? And what I'm going to do is plug in each thing in. Okay? So I've got RT, which is 4x, is equal to RS, which is 4x minus 4, and ST, which is equal to 2x. So I'm adding 2x. Okay, and just to clarify what each piece is, here's RT, right? 4x, RT, 4x. Here's RS, 4x minus 4, RS, 4x minus 4. And then, where's it at? ST, 2x. ST, 2x. Okay? So we're just plugging those in. Now what we're going to do is solve for x, and then later plug it back in to find out what the missing segment we're looking for. So I'm going to add these like terms here, 2x and 4x, and that's going to get us 4x is equal to 6x minus 4. Alright, and now I want to move the variable to the left here, so I'm going to subtract 6x on both sides. And that's going to leave me with 2x is equal to negative 4x. Actually, it's negative 2x. And now I'm going to divide by negative 2. And x is equal to positive 2. Okay, so remember, it's important to know this is not the end on this problem. We're looking for the segment RS, numerical. So we're going to take RS, which again is 4x minus 4. So I'm going to write that. RS is equal to 4x minus 4. And I'm going to plug in this 2 in for x. So 4 times x is now 4 times 2 minus 4. That's going to get us 8 minus 4. And that means RS is going to be equal to positive 4. Now, since we're talking about segment lengths, that's always going to be positive. So if you ever get your final answer and it's negative, you've done something wrong. Go back and look. All right, so that's our first problem. All right, now I'm going to zoom in and do number 2. Okay, it's the same thing here. We've got um, a line segment, RT, S in the middle. So RT is equal to RS plus ST. And just remember, you have RT, you have RS, and you have ST. We'll plug those in. RT is 4x, RS is 4x minus 7, and ST is 3x minus 8. So now we're going to take our like terms here, 4x and 3x, negative 7, negative 8, and combine those together. So I have 7x and negative 15. Now I'm going to subtract the 7x on both sides. The 7x cancels out. That's going to leave me with negative 3x is equal to negative 15. Going to divide by negative 3. And x is equal to positive 5. Now it's important to remember not to stop here and that we're looking for RT. And RT is 4x. So that's going to be simple enough. RT is equal to 4x. We're going to plug this 5 all the way in for x. So you have 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. And that's it. That's our answer. And that is adding line segments. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. I want to wish you a happy day.